Hey folks, I'm Mike Evers, OrthoWorld Senior Market Analyst. Today we have a short video highlighting 3 first quarter developments that we're watching. VB Spine's growing tech arsenal, new market share battlegrounds, and expectations for Zimmer Biomet this year. So it's been about a year since VB Spine acquired Stryker's US spinal implant business. The spine market has shown, however, that technology is a key piece of the competitive puzzle, especially at the top of the segment. So VB Spine made a nice technology addition in February when it announced the acquisition of the exclusive rights to the X-Vision spine system from Augmetics. And then this move builds on the company's recent acquisition of the SpineHawk visualization system from Robotron Surgical Technologies. Together, these systems create a compelling foundation of technology that VB Spine can now pair with Stryker's spine application for Mako. Speaking of Mako, it's proven very hard for companies to replicate Stryker's success with Mako and large joint replacement. So players are increasingly looking to shoulder replacement as a fertile area for market share wins. Stryker, Zimmer Biomet, and Smith & Nephew all have robotic shoulder applications either available or in limited market release. Shoulder Innovations is partnering with Interventional Systems to develop a portable shoulder robot, while Enovis is working on a shoulder application for ARVIS. With shoulder replacement getting CMS approval for ASCs in recent years, this opens up a new front in the battle for market share. And we think it'll become even more critical for shoulder implants, surgical techniques, and enabling technology to translate well to the ASC setting. Every year it seems like at least one of the largest ortho players has to undergo some kind of major reset or fix. In 2026, that's going to be Zimmer Biomet. Zimmer Biomet's guidance calls for organic growth between 1% and 3% this year. Compounding the problem is the relative underperformance of the company's Paragon 28 acquisition. While there is weakness in the overall foot and ankle market, Zimmer Biomet's new product introductions into this space haven't moved the needle as much as expected. Furthermore, Zimmer Biomet is actively restructuring its U.S. sales force from an independent structure to a direct and specialized model. While this move will ultimately improve the company's results, it's sure to bring about some short-term disruption and further limit growth potential in 2026. Okay, folks, we're going to leave it there for now. We talked about VB Spine's improving technology profile, new market share battlegrounds, and Zimmer Biomet's challenging 2026 outlook. We'll have first quarter coverage for you on orthoworld.com, and our new annual report is just a couple weeks away. We'll have plenty more for you on our website and here on YouTube, so make sure you like and subscribe. Until then, thanks for watching. I'm Mike Evers, and I'll see you next time.